We got LS things going on right here, as you see. 5.3 LS Tahoe. Is this a tall hoe? Yes, it is. Misfire under load, intermittent. Took out a plug, and y'all tell me what y'all think about this. Y'all see that? Y'all see some buildup, right? What do y'all see wrong with this plug? And if we move on to the next one, it looks like this electrode started growing on us right there. This thing's gonna need plugs. Might have an oil issue. Why that electrode or why that ceramic right there is coming apart, I have no idea. But as you can see, there is AC Delco, and then this one is a Bosch right there. So this thing definitely has problems. What do y'all LS guys out there think about this, or independent guys? Y'all ever seen these porcelains, these ceramics break, and what actually causes that to happen?